I have some ultimate advice for functional medicine doctors that are running a private practice, cash pay practice, basically not taking insurance. So any doctors that's doing that. And it's something that a lot of my clients struggle with. And certainly as I ran my own wellness business, I was struggling with this as well. And it's not getting leads. Like, that's the easy part. It's easy to get new leads, and there's plenty of marketing companies out there that are helping you get new leads, and you pay Facebook, you pay Google to get those leads into the business. But what the problem is that a lot of you, and maybe you're one of them, but certainly I was as well, but many people are having trouble converting the leads into actual patients. And conversion is really the key of doing business. I mean, you can get all of the leads in the world, but if you're not converting any of them, well, it doesn't do you any good gathering those leads. Now, there's many different ways that you can convert leads, and certainly there's that whole funnel system that most of you have set up. You get those leads in, maybe take them to a webinar or a video or on-demand webinar or something like that to educate about what you do, because a lot of people don't know what functional medicine is all about and how it can actually help them and why they should be spending money outside of insurance to actually get the help that they need. So it's all about converting people all along the way and making sure that you're able to do that, and then booking an appointment. That's when you get to really have a great conversation with a prospect and then further convert them into a patient. But a lot of people don't have time to get on the phone, call these leads, and make sure that, one, they show up for the webinar, and that's critical. And it's been shown over and over and over again that a warm voice call will twice as likely get people onto a webinar than if you just rely on automation, emails, or text messages. So that warm voice confirmation is critical to getting people on the webinar. And then while you're on the webinar, it's converting them on the webinar. But even for those people that don't convert, it's now following up with them afterwards. And that, again, takes time to get on the phone and call the people who attended the webinar and seeing how you can help them through a free discovery call, and then booking them for that discovery call and ultimately sell them into your program. But it's that conversion process all along the way. And if you're not tracking, if you're not utilizing a lot of tools that are out there to get those conversions, then most likely you're not getting the results that you want. And that's why I developed the Business Lead Maximizer program, is to help busy practitioners convert those leads every step of the way. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just click the link below, and I would love to chat with you about how we can help you make those conversions possible and help you grow and scale your business.